Just short video to show you this Dyson V6 Animal vacuum cleaner. This is serial number MJ5 UK KHY6560A. Comes with everything you see. Comes with a wall mount, official power supply, a replacement crevice and a replacement combination tool, brush bar head, the wand and the main unit. The brush bar, I've taken this fully apart, cleaned it. The wand has a couple of small scratches. Don't know if the camera will show him in the light. So these two replacement tools are brand new, not been used. And the main unit has a brand new filter and a brand new, I purchased it last week, battery, a 4000 mAh battery. The main head has been cleaned and the bin's been cleaned. It's in full working order. I'll show you it working in a second. I'll do one now actually. Try and put this together one-handed. Please bear with me. I won't put it on the carpet because I don't want to get it dirty again. Now, as with all Dysons, there's two modes: economy mode, which is on now, and then boost mode. Press the button on the back. The blue light comes on, but it does drain the battery dramatically. To clean it, hold the cleaner over a bin, bag, whatever you want to put the rubbish in, and pull down on the red. The bottom will open and you can take all the rubbish out. If it pulses, because it will do, I will show you what that sounds like, or you can hear. So if it does this, that means there's a blockage in either the pipe, the head, or in here, or it's full. Any other questions, please ask. Thank you. I do have other Dysons as well in stock.